Cancer stops you in your tracks. Everything about your life changes, from the foods you're able to eat to the people you thought you called your friends. Everything that you thought you were once able to do and can no longer do to your financial situation. And suddenly you're left with the person after. A survivor? I don't know, that's the label people try to give me, but that name sounds weird. I just want to be me, Megan Sunrise. But the me sitting in front of you today is not the same version of me that sat here a year ago, even 2 years ago. So that begs the question, what now?
Hi, my name is Megan. Join me as we explore new places together, hike some trails, and enjoy this adventure outdoors.
I want to keep enjoying and being grateful for this beautiful life that I have been given, but part of that is getting back to a place where I am physically able to do so. And for starters, I can't keep comparing this version of myself to the old version of me. Yes, I tire more easily now. Yes, my hair has thinned out. Yes, sometimes I have a ringing in my ear or a headache or some neck pain, but I cannot keep wasting my time wishing for a time machine to go back, and instead, I've got to set my mind and my intentions toward the future and give myself permission to start dreaming again. So here's what this looks like. For the next 12 weeks, I am rebuilding my body and my mind one step at a time, 1 mile at a time, starting with week 1, which is 1 mile, and then week 2 is 2 miles, all the way up to week 12, which is, hopefully, you guessed it, 12 miles. And I cannot pretend like I know how this is going to go. I have no idea. Is this even a good time to start it? I live in Georgia, and it is incredibly hot. This week, the heat index is in the high 90s, 100s all week. But what I do know is that our brains, my brain especially, I mean maybe yours too, works the same way, but it's really good at coming up with excuses when I'm starting a task that is very daunting or challenging, or that I don't know if I have a 100% success rate at. So it's a little bit hesitant to start this, and I could spend the rest of my life coming up with excuses, but I love being outside, I love being in nature, and it's okay. I've come to terms. If I fail a week, I am still going to record it, and I'm still going to get out there, and I'm going to do what I can. I also thought this would be a fun way to kind of document my travels as well. I have some fun house sits and trips kind of in the next 12 weeks, so I will also be bringing you all along for those. The point is, I'm not waiting until I feel better. I'm not waiting until I have copious amounts of energy. I'm not waiting until my hair fully grows back in. I'm not putting it off any longer. I am starting now and not waiting for the perfect scenario, and I will walk for 12 weeks and I will see who I become on the other side. So the point of this video is that I want to invite you all into this. Maybe you're like me and you've had a situation that has divided your life into a before and after, and you need a way forward and you need a way to dream again, like I was talking about earlier. And to that, I would invite you to come along on this journey, whatever that looks like for you. Maybe this situation does not apply to you at all and you're just wanting to get back into shape and you want to join me for this 12-week challenge. I would love to have you along. I think one of the weeks, I'm not quite sure which one yet, I am going to specifically be raising awareness and raising funds for thyroid cancer research and recovery. But all of that to say, I would love to have you come along for this journey, whatever it may look like for you. Maybe it's just watching and following along on these videos. Maybe it's creating your own version of the challenge, like biking 1 mile more each week. Maybe it's hiking, but just going out to your local park for 1 mile for 12 weeks, committing to getting outside. Or maybe it's doing the exact challenge that I am doing, where it's adding a mile every week if you are doing recovery or just want to challenge yourself too. So that's the point of this video, is I would like to invite you all along for this, and I would love for you to comment down below if you're planning on coming along for the journey, coming along for the adventure, whatever that looks like, whether it's watching or whether it's physically getting out there and doing something yourself. Either way, I'm very grateful for you all, and this recovery process has been a challenge, but I am excited to have this dream in front of me and to see where we all go from here.